Hi friends, Miss Arwood here. Oh, I'm so glad you came today because today we're going to be sliding some sounds to read words. Our learning goal for today says, I can blend sounds in a word with blends. Now, in all of the words we read today, they all start with a blend. Remember, a blend is when two letters are put together and you hear both sounds, but they kind of work as a team. Like B and L, we would hear bull. We blend them very quickly together. All right, so what I'm going to do when I read words today is just like I do with words that have letters all by themselves. I look at the letters, I think about the sounds, and then I'm going to slide them just like the snake is sliding down the slide. Watch, let me show you. So I know that B and L says bull, and then O says ah, T says t. So as I point to each of the letters, I'm going to make their sounds and slide all the way through, hearing all of those sounds until the end. So watch, here I go. I'm going to get my reading finger and I'm going to start here. I'm going to do just the sounds to begin with. Bull, ah, t. All right, because remember my blend kind of makes two quick sounds. Bull, bull, ah, t. All right, get your reading finger and now you do it. Bull, t. Good job, friend. Now when we read, we can slide the sounds together. We take a big breath and we say all the sounds without stopping. And as we move through the word, we say the new sounds. Ready? Let's try it. Blot. Ooh, what's that word? Blot. Blot. What's that word? Blot. Yes! Remember, as we get cozier saying all the sounds and sliding them, we can start to say them faster. And when you say them faster, you can hear the word. Blot. All right, awesome. All right, you want to make sure that as you're sliding the sounds today, that you actually are moving your reading finger in that sliding motion so that you can see you're getting all of the sounds as you slide. Let's try another one. Okay, I see the blend. St. So we have st, ah, p. All right, can you see the sounds? St, ah, p. Good. All right, now we're going to start right here. And we're going to start with the beginning sounds and slide all the way to the end. Let's go for it. Ready? Get your reading finger. Stop. Ooh, what's that word? Stop. Yeah, you're right. You got it. Stop. Ready? Stop. Awesome. Don't stop sliding. You did so wonderful. All right, let's keep going, friend. What blend do you see here? Yeah, perfect. We see G, G, M. All right, those are the sounds. Go ahead and get your reading finger and go ahead and slide when you're ready. Glam. Remember, when we're sliding, we're not taking any breaths and we're trying to smush the sounds together. We're sliding them together. So, glam. What's that word? Can you slide faster? Glam. Glam. Yeah, so fancy. Glam. Very nice. All right, right away, you should be looking at those letters and their sounds. What blend do you see? Yep, there's CL in the beginning. B. All right, go ahead and start sliding. Get that reading finger. Club. Ooh, good slide. Club. What's that word? Club. 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 Yeah. I love that we start out nice and slow, just to be sure, and then we can get faster as we keep practicing those sounds. Wonderful sliding, friend. All right, let's see. What blend do you see? Yeah, G and R. Grr. Grr. In. All right, grr, in. All right, go ahead and slide. Yeah, good job. Go ahead, do it nice and confidently. Grin. Oh, I heard that word right away. Did you hear it? Grin. Grin. Yeah, you should have a big grin on your face because you're doing amazing. All right. Whoa. I see that blend, and it is a tricky one. That little silly S blend. What is it? Yeah. Sw. M. Ooh, what's that word? Go ahead and blend it. Get your finger. Go ahead, start. Swim. Swim. What's that word? Yes, swim. You know what I love is that I can hear all the sounds. I can hear the blend and each of the individual letters after that. That's what you want to make sure you're doing as you're sliding through the word. We don't want to miss any of the sounds. We want to make sure we're hitting them all. Good job. You know, our learning goal for today says, I can blend sounds in a word with blends. Sometimes when we're beginning readers, or actually when we're any kind of readers, we see letters together and it kind of stresses us out a little bit. But we know how to read blends. We're just going to take those two sounds working together and we're going to slide them really quickly, and then we can add in the other sounds that we hear in the word. I want you to make sure that you can find the blends, say that sound, and then move through the word very carefully as you slide to make sure the entire word is being read. Don't worry about those blends. You've got it, friend. All right, good luck reading, and make sure you're sliding those sounds.